What's going on here? Pimple or rash? I can't tell. That's a scar.
Infinito tren nos acaba. Los paisajes cambian sin cesar. El silencio de las ventanas.
These look like little moons. Oh my god, so good. Oh, actually. I am reading this book called The Untethered Soul, and this is a self-help book that talks about how to find yourself, like the journey on finding yourself and how you do that. But it also helps with like people who tend to overthink. In just the first couple chapters, it really helped me learn how to change my thought process on how thoughts are not really you, that they are things that you cannot control. If anything, they're just spurts of energy. I thought that was so interesting because I never had it put in that way from other books and other things I've heard that try to help with like meditation and things like that. So this book has really honestly helped me so much on how I can not identify myself so much with those feelings and thoughts, instead see them as is and not give them more meaning than what they really are. And I even wrote down some notes here, like that's how serious I took the book. This was actually gifted and recommended by a friend, and they actually hit it on the nail on what I really like, the kind of books that I like. The little notes I have sticky notes in there, so that way I don't ruin the book completely. So if anybody wants to borrow it from me, they can borrow with me, and I can take my notes with me. What did I write here? I did underline some parts though. Let me see if I can find one. Oh, the voice in her head, or the voice in my head, and the thing that it says is not you. It does not define you as a person, and it is meaningless. Oh yeah, and the reason we have them is because, like a tea kettle that whistles, it is pent up energy that is needing to be released. And I was like, dang, that was so good and so well put. And it's such an easy read too. So if you're not like a huge book reader, but just like something to help you with your mental health, with your self-growth, this is a really good one. I'm already almost, I want to say I'm in the 7th chapter already. If you like that kind of books, like the self-help books, or just in a way that's more casual, this was really good. I like books like Tuesdays with Maury. I like his other book too. I think it's called, what is it called again? The 5 People, something in Heaven. I don't know. And I still want to finish this hopefully soon, so I can start another one that she recommended, called something Passion. So I'm going to talk about that as well. I really like it. It's easy, simple, gets right to the point. It gives you metaphors where you can really understand what they're meaning. And I even learned about like chakra, like what that meant, like so many good things. I love learning about ourselves and the way we think and why we think the way we think. It's really good. It gives me peace of mind. Important to take care of yourself first in order to take care of others. And that is the biggest thing I learned in my late 20s, is that you need to take care of yourself first before taking care of others. Also, you see the most growth when you're by yourself, when you're alone, when you're being a little selfish. It's not even selfishness. If anything, it's just self-care, making sure that you get to do the things that you need to do and want to do and grow as a person. Just because you said no to them doesn't mean that you love them any less. And that's a lesson that I had to learn. And I'm still learning to say no. And sometimes you gotta separate the things. Like if you're trying to do something, try not to have another person with you. I really wanted to use the lighting because my boyfriend set up this big old light, if you can tell. And it's just giving such beautiful lighting in this room, in our little office. He got me some matcha. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out what kind of matcha it is. Surprise, surprise! What the heck? Wow!
Looks good, right?
What in the world? Where did you go?
There's a very small event going on.
A small
over
event?
Yeah, there's a
Shut
small event going on.
up. This is so cool.
got
Let me
me a little
see.
mocha.
This is so cute. I love the little cats.
Right.
Don't get the toes.
Oh shit, sorry.